Okay, ready? Hey, Max, are you ready to eat? Hi, Ruby, you ready? Good morning, White Paw, waiting right at the door. Hello, Ricky Tom and Mr. Gray. Happy Thursday. Friday Eve, if you would. One of my coworkers says that. Hi. Yes, I wasn't going to do churro today, my loves. Yes. We got some last night. Oh, come on, Ricky Tom. Come on. Come on up here, buddy. Oh, Ricky Tom. Here we go. We got some for Ricky Tom. There you go, bud. I don't know what he got on his face. That was not for me. Drop churro on your back, girlfriend. Hi. Ooh, that's a paw with a claw. Okay, you too, my girl. All right, I do have some for Mr. Gray, and I did let Ricky Tom get his first, okay? He did. Oh my God, you have your paw on her back. You guys, I love how churro makes you so excited. I do. Yes, you are so cute, all of you. My girl. Cat breakfast. This one is grilled tuna feast, and I have a little bit of churro for Mr. Gray. Let's go, lovies. Those are the ones to back up those paws. Getting the bumps from Ricky Tom. My paw definitely is looking good. Come on. It's raining. We gotta eat under our sun deck. Yes. I gotta try to polish it so he gets his whole self. Because then he keeps his tail out. It's like you don't want to get your tail wet. You gotta get your whole self under. You can eat it too, Mr. Gray. No, see, that's what Ricky does. Come on, yeah, let's... Oh, I forgot your churro. I'm coming, Mr. Gray. Oh, yes. You good grayness. Enjoy your churro, Mr. Gray. And there's your breakfast. Love you, Mr. Gray. Kelly's getting all kinds of love. She's such a good girl. Trying to get her face, but it's very difficult. Kelly! Just keeping an eye on Big Rick. Gotta get Lex after breakfast bathing. Mr. Gray is over there doing his bathing. She's so pretty. There we go. Having your treat. Normally I have to clear off the stairs, but I have all my bird stuff and the empty water jugs. And he came. He's looking like uncomfortable, but major progress with White Paw.